That guy right there, Jeremy Martin, just got something you hear very rarely in this sport, a 3-year deal. And that doesn't sound like much, but if you really think about it, even the top guys, the championship winners are only getting 2-year deals. You're looking like Eli Tomac even now has a 1-year deal, supercross only, and while that might be his at this point in his career, his want to only race supercross and only do 1 year at a time, not really worried about it. Like, Jerry Martin's not exactly young, and being a 2-time 250 class motocross champion, he does. I guess you can say he warrants it because he can prove that he has proven that he can win. Let's put it that way. But to get a 3-year deal, especially at this point in his career, towards the, let's say the tail end of it. Let's not say the end, but the tail end. The golden years, whatever you want to call it. To get a 3-year deal is a big thing. From Club MX, this says a lot. This says, hey, we believe in you, even after his injury in first round. What was it? First round of motocross where he broke his arm, I think it was. It does. It shows good to him. And they did. Let's see here. They posted on Instagram saying, "quote Loyalty is what makes a team." Or let me start that again. Read take number 2. Loyalty is what makes a real team. Something we have always strived for from crew and riders as welcome back many familiar faces for 2024. We're proud to announce the extension of Jerry Martin for the next 3 years. Regardless of injury, we still believe in him 100%. And it goes on talking about other people, but we're not talking about them. So, I mean, it's cool for Club MX to just come out and say this, like, hey, we believe in these guys. We're, backing them 100%. Injury, bad season, whatever it is, we're here for it. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think Jerry Martin's going to do? Do you think this, is a warranted 3-year deal, or is this kind of like, whatever, you don't care? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.